Good morning. So I do want to show you the growth guide real quick. I provide excuses that are very common, but I also provide solutions to your excuse. A few different solutions, shit that you can do to counter that excuse, right? Shit you can actually do based on what you're telling yourself. And I give you a reflection journal prompt, right? That you should definitely do for at least 2 weeks. And it will transform your fucking life. Okay? A meditation, affirmations, because people do like those. And this meditation has helped me. I use my own affirmations. Replacing old patterns with new ones. If you're stuck on a problem, reflection habit, which I like doing. I think I mentioned this in a video that I'm going to post later today, so stick around for that. That video is about daily spiritual practices, habits, patterns that you should implement into your life. And one of them is on here too, in here, in the PDF. It's absolutely free, so go check it out. It's free for you to get your shit together, for you to change your life. You have to be willing to do it. I cannot do it for you, but all of the things that I've created PDF-wise, they build on each other. So this is step 1 PDF, right? The Shifting Worlds Guide that is also free on my website, that is step 2. My being guide, right? That's step 3, because step 1 and 2 will help you with step 3, right? But it's a process. Growth and healing and unlearning unhealthy patterns is a process. So they do build on each other. And I am working on another guide, but this one is taking me a lot longer because there's so much information. It's not just a 10-page PDF, right? Which this is extremely helpful, but that one has a lot of working parts, right? It has a lot of working parts. So stay tuned for the video that I'm gonna post later today. I have to go into YouTube Studio and do everything I can to the video, like add the tags and all this other shit, all this other stuff. I already drank my water. So yes, if you want to change your patterns and change your life, check this shit out. Okay? Stick with it for at least 2 weeks. Hell, even the first week, you'll start changing. But definitely stick with it for 2 to 3 weeks, even a month, depending on how dedicated you are. Ultimate transformation, right? And once you get the Shifting Worlds Guide, Shifting Realities, then you can start seeing the magic revealed to you. This is more dealing with the physical problems, the physical world, right? The Shifting Worlds Guide is if you're ready to have magic revealed to you. When you're not so focused on problems, when you can relax and open and receive. Because I do dive into what you're observing, what you're labeling and judging in that one. Like I said, all the things that I've made this far build on each other, right? And they go hand in hand with my book. So you definitely get great information from them. My book is my main product, right? But I don't sell this. I don't sell the Shifting Worlds Guide, Shifting Realities. What is it called? I don't know. I think I did write it down somewhere. So it goes into that, right? And I make it very simple. I'm not giving you a quantum physics lesson. I break it down. I use simple terms. So anyone can understand it. And if you do it, if you do both of them, your life is going to drastically change. Look at that. It does say look at your excuses, because everyone seems to have an excuse why they don't do what they want to do, but I want you to have the life that you want. So first things first, you gotta look at your excuses. But I give you solutions to your excuse. I don't just say, you're the problem. You're also the solution. You're also the solution. Yes. I know you're gonna love my book, but I do want you to get your shit together. I want you to be happy. I want you to prosper. I want you to enhance your spiritual abilities, and I want you to have a close connection with God. So, if that sounds good to you, stick around. If you got issues, go download the growth guide, right? It's not gonna hurt you. It's definitely gonna help you. Especially if you do it. You do have to put work in, effort in. But it's for you. And then move on to the Shifting Worlds Guide. Shift realities. But it's a shift in consciousness. And that's all you need. That's all you need. You need a deeper understanding, an aha moment, a revelation, a download. These subtle shifts will transform your life. They're subtle but powerful. The most powerful forces in the universe are the quiet ones. So, on that note, thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. How can you have fun today? How can you open up and receive today? It's by having fun. It's by enjoying living in a state of gratitude, in a state of peace, in a state of joy, because you are alive and you see the value in that. And if you don't, get my fucking PDFs. They're free. Go download that shit. Have a great day.